What's up, investors? Welcome to your Power Hour update for June 11th, 2021. It's Friday, so it's the last trading day of the week. Let me know how you guys feel about this week. We're going to jump right over to TipRanks.com, cover all the news you need before the market closes. Let's cover the major indices first. The S&P 500, pretty much flat, down very slightly, 0.3% down on the day. Dow Jones, similar story, down 0.21% on the day. And the NASDAQ up slightly, 0.04% up on the day, followed by BTC at almost $37,000, up 1% on the day. All right, in news, we're going to cover a few different things. We're going to cover Schien, a global health product distributor. We're going to cover Roots, a company out of Canada. And we're going to cover United Airlines. And then the G7 summit, where a lot of leaders are agreeing on a potential global minimum corporate tax rate, which is big news. So we're going to cover all those things right now. Let's jump over to Schien, taking a majority stake in eAssist Dental Solutions. Let's see how they are doing on this news that they have acquired 70% ownership stake in eAssist Dental Solutions. They're pretty much flat on the day, up 0.13% on the day. However, coming in with a moderate buy rating based on 6 analyst ratings, with an average upside of 4% on the nose. All right, in your second bit of news, we have Roots e-commerce sales rising 50% in the first quarter, and shares are up because of it. They're a Canadian retailer selling leather goods, sportswear, and accessories. All right, let's take a peek at how Root is doing on this news. We have Root up 10.5% on the day, coming in with a hold rating based on 5 analyst ratings, with an average downside now after this big jump of about 9%. All right, in your third bit of news, I want to cover United Airlines, ticker symbol UAL, launching a corporate venture capital fund. Their shares are up because of it. But what is this corporate venture fund going to do? They're going to be investing in high potential companies with a focus on sustainability, aerospace, and other innovative technologies. We've seen companies like American Airlines do quite a bit of investing into different SPAC companies and things like that. So maybe that's something that United Airlines is going to get their hands on as well. Let's take a peek at ticker symbol UAL, up 1% on the day, essentially coming in with a moderate buy rating based on 13 analyst ratings, with an average upside over the next 12 months of just over 9%. All right, last bit of news I want to cover before we cover the top gainers and losers is the G7 summit is going on this week, and it looks like the G7 leaders will endorse a global minimum corporate tax of at least 15%. Now, the previous administration lowered the corporate tax rate to 21%. So ours is quite a bit higher here in the US than this 15% minimum corporate tax rate. I don't think that this administration is going to lower it to 15%, although it may bring some corporations back from incorporating in places like Ireland or something like that, where the corporate tax rate is 14%. So we'll see. What do you guys think about this news of the corporate tax rate potentially getting lowered, but also having a minimum being higher in certain countries that are really advantageous to a lot of corporations to incorporate in? So, all right, lastly, let's cover the top gainers and losers. First, we're going to cover the top losers. In the 5th spot, VRTX Pharmaceuticals. They were down quite a bit pre-market as well, down 10% overall in the day. Ticker symbol there is VRTX. We have Upstart Holdings coming in the 4th spot, down 12%. Ticker symbol UPST. All right, in the 3rd spot, we have Nuvation Bio. Ticker symbol NUVB, down 11% on the day. And in the 2nd spot, we have GSX Tech EDU. Ticker symbol GOTU, or got you. That's a bad joke. Down 11% on the day. And then rounding out the top 5 biggest losers on the day is LiveRamp Holdings, ticker symbol RAMP, down about 12% on the day. All right, on the top gainers list, number 5 on the list, up 8.5% on the day. We have Two Simple Holdings, TSPs, the ticker symbol there. TIGR, TIGR, on the list quite a bit over the last week or so, up 11% on the day. That's Up FinTech Holdings. We have Medallia, up 14% on the day. Ticker symbol there is MDLA. And number 2 spot, we have Apollo Medical Holdings, up almost 17% on the day. Ticker symbol AMEH. And rounding out the top 5, number 1 on the list, SAVA Sciences, up 16.5% on the day. Ticker symbol SAVA. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for your Power Hour update. It's Friday. I'm excited to see you guys back here on Monday. If you haven't already done it, hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell. I post Monday through Friday here at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Julie posts your pre-market morning updates so you can get all the news you need before the market opens and before it closes between the two of our videos. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Thanks.